Hi everyone, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Anita Miller. I will be your instructor for Bio 202. And I just want to give you some logistic or some information ahead of time and be aware what the class is all about besides the topics or the way I teach the class. So first of all, let's talk quick about the textbook. The textbook, if you have taken Bio 201 and at the Westminster or Brighton campus, then you have inclusive access. That means that it will just continue. You still have to register for our specific class. Now, and you do this place by going into your D2L shell, which you can do starting on Tuesday, the 22nd, the 21st. And then you can go under to get started. In that module, you find the reference for the deep link, the McGraw-Hill Connect Deep Link. It says McGraw-Hill Connect Deep Link. So click on that and then you can register. If you have not taken Bio 201 here and you don't have the inclusive access, you still can enter this way. They will ask you a question and then you can actually sign up and pay for the Connect access. With that access, you will also get access to the ebook and then several exercises and other links I have for our class. So besides that, because you have taken 201 before, I assume you have some kind of a hard copy. If not, I really encourage you to actually buy the reduced cost paper version at the Westminster bookstore, and that can help you because especially with anatomy, with the pictures, they're easier to find actually almost like than with the ebook. At least that's my experience, what students say. So now a couple other comments. My expectation of you during this class is your job is to learn. Now learning is not just memorization. So some memorization is there because we do a lot of vocabulary you might not be familiar with. So that's one thing you have to do. But I will have posted also online under the to get started with the syllabus some information about what this how to learn or some references, a YouTube reference, for example, how to learn better. The second job you have, because again, we see each other on Wednesday, I'm aware about this, but maybe you have the desire to start already something good to start with is learning hormone names and their secreting organs. You still have the book. If not, if you signed up and you have now the ebook version, just you have to know all the hormones. Sorry to say that. So the earlier you start studying with these, it's good. For right now, just look for the hormone and their secreting organ. They're all listed in chapter 17, the chapter we will be starting with. And later on, make sure you if you do flashcards, keep room, because then we also have effector organs, action, and a lot of more details. But again, you don't have to do that by yourself on your own. What to expect from this class? So this is like my heads up for the AP class. It is an active learning classroom. What this means for you is that most of our class time will be spent doing hands-on activities, labs and projects in small groups. And the groups will not stay the same. So I'm always like switching groups around for community feel and everybody get to know everybody, but also for benefit of the learning experience itself. So your time at home is then spent in reading and studying portion of the text ahead of class. For that, I provide a reading guide for each meeting we have. And except for obviously the first one, I don't expect to have one filled out already on Wednesday. So with this reading guide, you fill it in and then you bring it, and this will be your notes from class. And then depending on what kind of question you have, we will interactively then build in and enhance your knowledge, what you initially started on your own. So that should be a strong foundation for any class you come to. So it's pretty important to do this, and I'm willing to give you a couple of points for it. That's about 3 points per reading guide, so that can add together. I recommend the recommended study time for a 6-hour class, like our class is 12 to 18 hours additional hours per week. And I know that sounds like a huge amount, but again, I would recommend to like spread it around the week and don't like think you can do all of the studying in one day. So make sure you have adequate time set aside. What to expect from me? Expect me that I will challenge you to learn and learn how to learn and apply yourself for the class. I will show you that the body is a maze and interesting things will happen when you find the logical organization of the body and how it all works together. So I will respond to every email within like 36 hours, maybe slight delay sometimes on a weekend, but usually even on weekends I will respond. I will return graded assignments in a timely manner, encourage you to meet me in one-on-one settings, so please don't hesitate to approach me. Come to my office in Westminster or at the Brighton campus on certain days. And the big thing with this active learning, I consider myself a facilitator for your learning experience and less of a just lecturer standing in front. So I'm facilitating, I'm helping you to learn for yourselves. And with that, hopefully all this stuff will stick longer around and not just last from one exam to another. At least that's my aim. So feel free to contact me with any question you have, either with D2L or other way, or otherwise. My email is anitamiller@frontrange.edu. I will be attaching a syllabus for the class already with it here.